Bots on top, get ready to rage quit. Hey gamers, buckle up. The future of gaming is here, and it's more intense than ever. AI is taking over the gaming world, and things are about to get wild. These aren't just any bots. They're smarter, faster, and more strategic. Remember those noob bots you used to crush? Those days are long gone. Yeah, they've been hitting the gym. And by gym, I mean coding boot camp. Developers have been working tirelessly to make these bots unbeatable. AI is officially beating us at our own game. It's not just about playing, it's about dominating. It's learning faster, strategizing better, and leaving us humans in the dust. Every move you make, it anticipates and counters. Remember that feeling of epic victory? Cherish it, because it's becoming rarer. Get ready for a whole new level of challenge. The stakes are higher and the competition is fiercer. This isn't some sci-fi movie, people. This is the new reality of gaming. AI is here, it's playing, and it's winning. It's not just a participant, it's a champion. So are you ready to step up your game or get schooled by a bot? The choice is yours. Embrace the challenge and evolve, or get left behind. AI takes the wheel, from checkmate to headshot. The journey of artificial intelligence in gaming has been nothing short of extraordinary. Don't believe me? Let's talk facts. The evolution of AI in gaming is a testament to how far technology has come. Remember Deep Blue, the chess-playing AI that defeated world champion Garry Kasparov? It was a groundbreaking moment in the history of artificial intelligence. That was just the beginning. Since then, AI has evolved at an unprecedented rate, making its mark in various fields, especially in the world of gaming. Fast forward to today, and we've got AI dominating complex esports like Dota 2 and StarCraft 2. These games are not just about quick reflexes, they demand deep strategic thinking and adaptability. These aren't simple games of reflexes, they require serious strategy, quick thinking, and the ability to adapt on the fly. The level of skill and intelligence needed is immense.
OpenAI's bot, OpenAI 5, made history by defeating professional Dota 2 players. This was a monumental achievement, showcasing the potential of AI in competitive gaming. And then there's AlphaStar, developed by Google's DeepMind, which achieved Grandmaster level in StarCraft 2, ranking higher than 99.8% of human players. This level of mastery is almost unimaginable. Yeah, you read that right. The future of AI in gaming is here, and it's more impressive than we ever thought possible.
Level up AI, the learning curve of a bot. So how are these bots becoming